Okay, I'm going to weld again, and this time I'm going to weld two pieces of steel together, a butt joint in the horizontal position. Now this is mild steel, this is not stainless, and I'm going to be using this welding machine, the Harbor Freight tool, 80 amp inverter DC electrode positive current arc welder, and it's set on 70 right now. This is a $160 welding shoebox welder at Harbor Freight Tools I got, but it does the job. You can put together a go-kart frame or a bicycle frame with this welding machine. Okay, and I'm going to be using this E6013. Let's see, E6013 3/32 size arc welding rod. It has red colored, like a red tinted flux on it. This is a Hobart welding rod, and here's the pack they come in. I got these at Tractor Supply Company and store. So it's a 3/32 size rod, and it tells about it. Now, Lincoln makes an E6013 3/32 size arc weld rod, but it's different from the Hobart E6013 3/32 size arc welding rod, and I'll tell you about it after I'm done with this. Talks about the rod, says what it's capable of doing, and it runs on DC electrode positive, and I'm going to be using DC electrode positive current. So it just tells about it right there. You can see the rods in there, kind of a red color. Okay. So let's clamp this together. Now there's the mild steel. I'm gonna tack it together first. Let me aim the camera up a little bit for this one. Let me get a ground clamp. These rods do make a lot of spatter. These E6013 rods, they do make a lot of spatter, but they do the job. They get it done. Okay. So now I'm gonna tack this together so it'll hold while I do this. This is just instruction videos. I'm using 70 amps DC electrode positive. Okay, I'll tack it right here on the end. Wait a minute. Let me start over. Alright, so that did it. That fused it. Alright, I'm just gonna go like straight across through here. And here I go. It's a horizontal position butt joint. Okay. Knock off the slag. Well, I'll let you get a look at it. We'll see what it looks like. Now this is 1/8 of an inch thick mild steel. So it's kind of thin. Ow. That's hot. That's hot, man. Hot, hot, hot. It'll burn you. It'll burn. Will burn you. Until it cools off. It's a light piece of steel, so it's easy to work with. I'm going to get all of it off. There. Whoop. It's like hot enough to fry pancakes with on a grill. Hello.
How are you?
Trying to keep busy.
Trying to fix it, huh?
Let's take the so I'll show it now. Alright. And there it is. Butt joint in a vertical position using E6013 3/32 size arc welding rods with DC electrode positive current. and that penetrated somewhat well. See on the backside, you can see where the heat kind of changed the metal coating a little bit. The heat kind of burnt that coating on the metal. So it penetrated kind of well. Mild steel, E6013, 3/32 size in the horizontal position. Okay. Now what I wanted to talk about welding rods, E6013, 3/32 size Hobart, and Lincoln E6013, 3/32 size. There's a big difference. Hobart works better for welding vertical and horizontal and overhead on the E6013 rod than Lincoln does. Let me show you. Okay, this is a Lincoln E6013.